heavy industrial environments, what you can't see can cause the most damage.
When you're dealing with dust collection, you want to contain the dust, you want to capture the dust, and you want to convey the dust. And that's why we have our room pressurization systems that take outside ambient air that's dirty in a steel mill environment. Then it filters that air, and we use the clean air that's almost near HEPA quality air, like you would see in a surgical room, to then pressurize a room where you might have critical components such as electrical rooms, transformer vaults, operator pulpits, offices, any room that you want to try to keep the dust out of and protect whatever's inside. We can use the SMAC unit to put fresh, clean air into that room and pressurize the room. So when somebody walks into that room, a rush of air is forced out of the room to keep all the dust and contamination out of the room rather than coming in.
Room pressurization, controlling the environment so the environment doesn't control you.